Utilizing innovative Gore-Tex surround construction and built on Treksta's foot mirroring Nest Fit Last, the Treksta Men's ADT Mid 201 hiking boot delivers fit, support, and waterproof breathable protection. Let's take a closer look at its unique construction. The upper of the boot is constructed of a water-repellent nubuck and split leather. Gives it nice support and rigidity. You do have some synthetic materials here high on the cuff, which gives it a more comfortable fit around your ankle or above the ankle or higher on the leg. You do also have a toe cap here, which bolsters that durability, that abrasion resistance on the front of the boot, and also is just a nice feature if and when you should kick roots or rocks while you're on your way on the trail. Does also have some heel cup protection here to keep you in place. As far as the overall water protection of the boot is concerned, it is utilizing Gore-Tex surround technology. So you basically have on the interior 360-degree protection. It also has almost a bellows effect. You can see this mesh venting on the side. So while you still have that waterproof protection, you also are pushing warm air out of the boot. It's actually escaping. That's where I'm referencing that bellows effect as you step or walk in the boot, which goes one step further in not just keeping wet out, but also driving out warm air that could lead to sweat and discomfort from the inside out. I want to talk for a moment about Treksta's Nest Fit Last. It's an important element of any and all Treksta shoes, and that certainly includes the ADT Mid 201. Our feet have a lot more shaping to them than just narrow heel, flare at the toe box. There's a lot more contouring that goes on there, and Treksta really goes a long way in mirroring that shaping. You can see it here on the toe. As you turn the boot over, it's reflected there as well. Also pulled out the insole, which gives, again, a pretty good look at some of that shaping that goes on there and the contour, so you don't just have kind of a flat, bland look to things here. Treksta put a lot of time and energy into mapping feet and finding a last that more appropriately fits the average shaped foot. Hours and hours on the trail, lots of different terrain, that really pays off with a fit that takes some of the wear and the fatigue out of your feet, something that's really set Treksta apart. Turning the shoe over so you can have a look at the outsole, you'll see that there's really nice traction on the boot. It isn't an overly aggressive toothiness that's here on the bottom. It's just a really trail smart tread. You do have the indentations. You do have positioning of the tread pattern that makes a ton of sense for backcountry usage and also helps to shed mud and dirt that would otherwise build up underneath and not let you take full advantage of that tread. The Hyper Grip outsole performs really nicely on a wide variety of surfaces, again, adding some real versatility to the shoe. You do have some bolstered construction here across the arch, the midfoot, which again improves the overall stability of the shoe and again helps to combat fatigue for long days on the trail. With its waterproof, breathable construction, its nice balance of weight and durability and abrasion resistance, and then that fit that Treksta and its Nest Fit technology delivers, The Treksta Men's ADT Mid 201 is an excellent option for hikers or backpackers.